When it comes to classic Pilot's watches, few names carry the same nostalgic weight as Oris Big Crown. And this, the Oris Big Crown, 40mm pointer date X Cervo Volante, is a stunning modern revival that perfectly blends heritage, sustainability, and timeless design. First introduced in 1938, the Big Crown pointer date became famous for its oversized crown and signature date hand. It was reintroduced in the 1980s, helping Oris survive the quartz crisis by reminding the world of mechanical beauty. This new addition pays homage to that heritage, with a fluted bezel, cathedral hands, and a red-tipped pointer date hand, all sitting beautifully within a 40mm stainless steel case. The star of the show, that burnt maple gradient dial. It fades from a bright, reddish-orange center to a deeper, autumnal tone at the edges, perfectly capturing the warmth of fall. This special collaboration with Cervo Volante, a Swiss company known for sustainably sourced deer leather, takes things even further. Every strap is made from ethically harvested deer hide, a byproduct of Switzerland's forest management program, and finished in a rich mahogany brown tone that pairs beautifully with the dial. The watch even comes with a matching deer hide travel pouch, giving it an eco-luxury edge that's as thoughtful as it is stylish. Inside, you'll find the reliable Oris Caliber 754, based on the Sellita SW200-1. It's an automatic movement with the brand's signature red rotor, beating at 28,800 vibrations per hour with a 41-hour power reserve. And of course, you get modern practicality. A domed sapphire crystal, screw-down crown, and 50 meters of water resistance, all for 2,250 Swiss francs. Elegant, sustainable, and steeped in history, the Oris Big Crown pointer date X Cervo Volante proves that vintage charm and modern values can coexist beautifully.